Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to make another great tasty detox weight loss smoothie. So as you can see, my ingredients all laid out. I have some frozen mangoes, frozen pineapple, frozen strawberry, and some fresh orange, which I'll be using the juice to blend these ingredients. So stick along and follow me while we make this simple and delicious smoothie. Also, I'll be listing the benefits of these ingredients and why they can help your weight loss journey in the description below. So guys, don't forget to check out the description to see the full benefits and how these superfruits can help you in your weight loss journey. So let's get making. After juicing the orange, I really did get a lot of juice from those 3 orange. Man, these orange are so juicy. So now let's get blending. And as you can see, I'm just adding the ingredients to the blender, and then I'll be using the orange juice to make it. There's no water added to this recipe, but if you don't want to use the orange juice, you can use water, use some other form of juice. But be careful just to use fresh juice only. And if you haven't yet, it is really wise to encourage your children to eat healthy.